what's up? It's Ricardo, Junk Removal Service. We're the Junk Guys, and I'm out of here in Fort Worth, Texas. I wanted to do a good video for people starting out in the junk removal business. Actually, I just received a phone call earlier this morning, and the guy was like, Ricardo, what do I need to run a successful startup junk removal business? And I said, you know, there's so many things. So I wrote some notes down, and I want to give these tips to people that are starting a junk removal business. Number one, start off with just the essential basic tools and equipment that you will need to run your business. In other words, don't go buy a dumpster trailer and don't go buy rakes and shovels and carts and when you don't have a business. Don't make the mistake of having your costs soar when you don't actually own a business. Start off small. And this is gonna go to number 3 in just a few minutes, okay guys? But essentials to run your business are going to be important to your business because you're not spending a lot of money to make money. And it's important that your profit and your loss equal out so you're making money. So always, when you start off your junk removal business, start off with the basic essentials. The smallest truck, maybe a Ford F-150, a small trailer, not a dump trailer, not a big truck. You don't have the business for it anyway, okay? Number 2, know what your dump fees are. Oh man, and I'm gonna tell you, a lot of people get in this business and then they're asking me, hey, do you know what my dump fees are? And I'm like, dude, I don't live in your area. So it's very important that you build your business knowing what your dump fees are. Listen guys, if you're gonna charge $45 for a refrigerator or a garage clean out, know that your dump fees are gonna be $150. You're not making any money, okay? If they charge you $10 to dump and you're picking up something for $50, then you're going to make money somehow. Know what your dump fees are. It's so important to your business. And this might relate back to the number 1, the essential basic tools, basic thoughts and thinking, and knowing what your dump fees are. That's just something basic that you need to know. Okay, number 3, start your business with single items. Single items are a huge part of my business. I do pianos, trampolines, hot tubs, refrigerators, freezers, a lot of freezers. Does that make sense, guys? I use my single items to build my business. Until this day, single items are a huge part of my income. Guys, I recycle these fridges and these freezers and these washers and dryers and trampolines to make a profit at the end of the month when I recycle everything together, okay? So it's really important, guys, that single items is a part of your business, okay? Number 4, take advice. Take advice from these videos. Take advice from Facebook groups. Get on Facebook. Be a part of the Facebook groups, the junk removal group discussions. Be a part of as many as you can. So I'm part of like 20 of them, and every once in a while I go through there and just read comments when I'm killing time. But you will learn so many things, so many little tricks and techniques from other experts, other veterans, or even people that are just new to the business, okay? But I'm gonna tell you, the most important thing, look at the people that have been in business for the longest and take advice from them. Because I'm gonna tell you, 90% of people will fail a business in the 2nd year. So that's a big old statistic that you need to think. Listen to the veterans that are giving you advice and it will help you out. Number 5, have a good phone. Have a good phone with good service, because that's how people are going to contact you. How are people going to even know you exist if you're not even answering the phone? If they're dialing, listen, I'm going to tell you something. And I did this the other day because my air conditioning went out of my house. I called 3 companies and the phone rang with an answer machine. The second one had an answer machine. The third one didn't even want to ring. And then they leave a message. And I'm telling you, the fourth one that called and actually picked up the phone, that's who I hired. At that point, I just needed somebody because it's 105 degrees outside and I'm dying inside my house at like 95. So whoever picked up the phone is the person I hired, and I guarantee you, when they're looking for junk removal, it's the same way. They're going to call and they're gonna know if this guy knows what he's talking about, and because he answered the phone, I'm going with this guy, okay? Number 6, insurance. Get insurance if you think you need it. There's a lot of my friends, I have a lot of friends that are clumsy, that are not professional, that can't lift, aren't strong enough to go downstairs with a refrigerator or a piano or something. There's a lot of people that aren't that professional in this industry, in the junk removal industry, that need insurance to go into $1 million house and be sure that they don't come around that corner and chip the sheetrock or scratch the hardwood floors or chip the end of a stair. Get insurance if it's necessary for you. If you're not that professional, but you think you're professional, get insurance, because you're gonna need it long term to even get like government contracts or city contracts or commercial contracts or real estate contracts or real estate agreements or verbal agreements. You're gonna need insurance. People are gonna wanna know if you have insurance. So insurance is so cheap in our business. I think you can get like commercial insurance from Next for about $17 to about $40 a month. I'm telling you, long term, it will help you out. And number 7, which is my most important one. See guys, society has made advertising online. If you're looking for something, what do? You Google it, you Yahoo it, you Bing it, whatever you do. Anything you're looking for these days, you're using your electronic device, such as a microwave, no I'm kidding, your personal computer, your phone, a tablet, you're online. So that means you need a website. People are gonna find you with the website, okay guys? Always establish your business as a professional business by using a website. I know a lot of people that do business out there right now, they're still working, they have a successful, that don't even own a website. They don't have social media. They don't even have a Facebook page, but they still have business. Listen, that's cool. Long term, not cool, not professional. I always tell people, if you want to run a successful business, and I'm gonna tell you, a lot of people say, oh, but junk removal is not an online business. Okay, prove it to me. Because if I didn't have a website, and I didn't have my phone number on my website, or on my Google My Business, or my Yahoo, or my Bing page, or anything like that, if I didn't have social media, my phone would ring this how many times a day. I have and I own an online business. I do not do any business cards, any flyers, any of those street signs, any door hangers. I don't do anything like that. There's no need to. As a matter of fact, I haven't owned business cards in about 4 to 5 years because I don't need it. All my customers are finding me online. So build your online presence with a website and social media. And those are the tips that I can tell you how to run a successful business, a successful junk removal business. And guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe over there to the right side, and on the left side, check out my other videos. Tell your friends, your girlfriends, your mistress, your best friend's girlfriend's mistress, anybody that you know that needs to have a mistress.
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're gonna solve all of these problems and more at JunkCon 22. You're gonna gain something that's gonna make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're going to be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon Blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at JunkCon 22.